Hello, this is Jay Profit, and in this video we're going to talk you through the steps of installing Screencastify and some of the basic settings of that. Right now I'm at the Chrome Web Store to search apps. If you don't know how to find that, here's the address. You can type this in and it'll bring you right here to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, I'm going to type Screencastify and press return. You'll see here it returns you search for apps and extensions. We scroll down to the extensions and you'll see this one, first one is called Screencastify Screen Video Recorder, and that's the one you want to add. If you click Add to Chrome, it'll ensure that you want to add that. You click on the Add button. It'll bring you to the Screencastify Setup window. First thing it needs to do is set up camera access. You click and allow the access to your camera. And that's for videos if you need to include the webcam, a video of you as you're teaching something. The next spot, it's going to ask you where you want to store your video files. Do you want to store them in Google Drive or locally on this device? Now, if you run this on a Chromebook, there's very limited storage on the device, and I would select Google Drive. I'm going to select Google Drive anyway to store all of my Screencastify videos in one place on Google Drive that I can access from anywhere. If you choose Google Drive, down here you have to grant permission. Click the Accept button, and then you'll go back to the setup screen and click Get Started. Once I've closed down all the extra tabs, up here in the right hand corner of my web browser you'll see a new icon that looks like a film strip. If I click on that, it'll bring up the Screencastify settings. The first setting is the capture setting. Do I want to capture just this tab in Chrome? Do I want to capture my entire desktop? That will include all of the menus across, or all of the icons and taskbars across the bottom. Or do I just want to capture my webcam? For this, I'm going to go back and capture just the tab in Chrome. Moving down here, we have microphone. You can choose to select the audio or not. For most all the screen captures, I would say you want to select the audio. You can tell that it has my already selected my onboard microphone by the audio meter. If not, you can click select and select your microphone. If you want to include tab audio, that is any audio or sound that is coming from this tab of your Google Chrome browser. If there's some sound there that you do want to capture, you can check it. If not, then I would leave that unchecked. Down we have video using your webcam. If you want to embed a webcam into your video, you would check this right here, and you can select whether you want top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. And also pick the webcam for your computer. When you select this, there's usually only one choice, and it is the one built into your computer. I'm going to deselect that for now. And at the bottom, the option for Show Preview Window. With this option, as you're recording, there will be a small window that appears off to the side of your recording or down at the bottom of your screen and shows you a live image of what you are recording. For me, I don't appreciate this. It actually bothers me as I'm recording. It gets in my way of stuff on the screen, so I'm going to deselect that as well. From here, click Start Recording, and you can record what's going on your screen. You can select what you need to select or change, go to a different web page. When you're done, come back up here to the Screencastify button, click on that, and tell it to stop recording. Once you've gotten your preview here, you have the option to share. You can share it to a YouTube channel or share it just using your Google Drive. You can crop the video. You can save it to disk on your computer. I will warn you that when you save videos from Screencastify, it's in a WebM file, which is not a normal video file used on the computer. Or you can delete this file. If you come down here to Google Drive and click on the Google Drive link right here, it'll take you to your Google Drive, but I warn you also that it takes a while for Google Drive to process the video and for it to be available to view. After you're done capturing your screen recording, you can come here to your Google Drive and you'll see the Screencastify has created a folder in your Google Drive. When you open this folder, here you will see the untitled screencasts that you've created so far. Here you can watch these screencasts and rename these screencasts for use later on. I hope this video has been helpful.